What's the meaning of column? Column. Column.
Column. Column. A column is a vertical structure or object that is taller than it is wide, with a long narrow shape. In architecture, columns can be used to support a roof, ceiling, or other structures. Columns are also commonly used in spreadsheets and databases to organize and display data in a vertical format. They provide a convenient way to group, sort, and filter information by a specific criteria. Overall, columns serve as a practical and aesthetic element in many different areas of design and data management.